Do you want to know how to do or create business stories that sell? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to use the selfie button in stories to sell in your stories. My name is Steph and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And if you're not in it, check out my group, Create Stories That Sell, where we are going to help you work your business in stories on Facebook and Instagram. Let's dive right into this tutorial today. Okay, so let's pop open Facebook and then we're gonna go to create a story. And then here at the top, we're gonna scroll over to selfie. And you're gonna see me, hey! Normally you don't get to see me in the videos. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few different ways to do this. Let me navigate you to the screen first. So up here in the upper right hand corner, if we click this little screwdriver, that's where you can set like your privacy settings, right? So I always recommend keeping everything on public. You want people to see it. Okay, then we can do a flash if we want at the top with a lightning bolt. Okay, and then here at the bottom, this is where it gets fun because you can scroll and you can pick out the different filters. Now, like Eye of the Tiger is one of my favorites. So at the bottom, you're gonna see the name of it. If you click the little arrow button next to it, then you can be like, oh, save this effect. Okay, because I like it. So then you can see here, right at the beginning, it's always saved. So it's easy to use for you, okay? So let's scroll through. We can see some other ones. Oh, this one's kind of cool. Okay, so you have all these different options to use. So this one is gonna like put, look, my forehead wrinkles are gone. Oh, they're back. Okay, so depending on which one you want, you can really make the filter make you look better. It's okay if you're not having a good hair day and you want to use a filter. Okay, the other thing to keep in mind is if you push this button, okay, it's going to take a picture, okay, if you just push the center button. So if you hold it down, now it's going to record you, okay? And you have 20 seconds. You can see this red dot or red line moving all the way around. You have 20 seconds to talk, which is a pretty long time. So I suggest if you want people to watch the whole thing, you make it really, really interesting, okay? Now it's going to record you, okay? That's the video option, okay? You can also, at the right-hand corner, you're gonna see, you can flip your screen. Oh, look, it's staring at a wall, okay? So you can see I'm here about to film some videos and I'm upstairs in my hallway, and that's like the room that you guys always see when I'm filming. So let me flip this back around, okay? So you can scroll through, find different filters. I like this filter too, okay, if you're going for a little bit of a darker vibe. So there you have it. Oh, here's the Polaroid picture one, okay? So a lot of different filters here at the bottom. You can find the ones you want, okay? So let me show you how I would use some of these for business, okay? So first up, let's use my favorite, which is Eye of the Tiger. And one of the cool things that you can do in business is to show like a work perk, okay? This could be something like if you're in network marketing, you're gonna win things all the time. You might have hit a bonus. So I could be like, yes! And then what I'm gonna do here, because I just hit, so look, now you can even add a filter on if you want. Okay, now if I was getting super picky, I might retake this because I'm not a huge fan of the fact that you can see my eye. So let's just go ahead and retake it. Just being honest, if I have Eye of the Tiger better cover it up. So I'm grabbing a free product that I won. Well, I didn't win it with my company. I was given it for working hard. So I'm gonna be like, so here I am, I have the picture I like, I have my free product, and I might be like, work, perk, and you don't have to say it, but you can if you want to be really obvious. Earned this free product. So you could just say something like that, okay? If we want to add some, we could do the flame, we could do the heart. So maybe because it's a work perk, we're going to do it here. I'm going to put it here, okay? I kind of like to put the sticker where people move, which to tap the next story. So the interactive stickers, if you want more tutorials on how I use them for business, check out this video that's popping up on the screen. And then I might even add an arrow into this to point to the thing I won. There we go. Okay, so I'm showing, hey, I won this, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so cool. So if you had something that you can celebrate in your business, it's kind of fun. You can do it nicely so it doesn't come off like super braggy, but people like winning things. People like to be recognized. So all I would do is click share to story. Now let's talk about like something day in the life. Maybe you just want to give people a dose of reality. So like for instance, you could be like, oh, wow, messy bedroom. Okay, so you can see, obviously, I have a lot of clean laundry. That's actually clean laundry down there that I haven't put away. Okay, it's telling me to find a face, but it honestly doesn't matter. So here's a peek into my world. I am filming YouTube videos upstairs, and you can see I have it all set up, and it looks great. You're going to see back into that clean room, but the reality is that my bedroom is really messy. So, just being honest, keeping it real here today with Steph. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the save button. Okay, so this is very day in the life. Filming, and now I am going to pop over to Instagram, click story. I'm going to grab that one, hit the button here, click to add captions. Okay, because if you don't add captions, like 80% of people aren't going to watch. So let's figure out, I kind of like this one. Let's maybe add a background to it. Okay, and then captions, add the background to it, making sure it all looks good. Okay, so now we're going to save, and we're going to click the three dots to save that one too. Okay, so they're saved. I pop back over to Facebook, click create story, and now let's select multiple. Okay, make sure they're in the right order. So let's go to the next one. So if we like how it goes, then I can click share to story, and that is uploading right now to my story. So that's another cool way to use the selfie button. Okay, so we just did work perks, day in the life. Now let's do some client love testimonial. So we're gonna scroll back over to the selfie option. Hello, here I am. Okay, do not like that. You're gonna have filters that you like and then ones that you don't really like. I don't like these ones that are super, oh, I like the sunglasses. Okay, so maybe we will use this one for sunglasses. So one of my favorite things with attraction marketing when you're trying to sell in stories is to give people an advantage or give people a hack, right? Like if you love a shortcut, give me some love in the comments of this video, because I love shortcuts in life, and I think that's advantage of coaching, right? Like, so I'm going to give a shout out for myself and all the other coaches in business. If you don't have one, check me out at parisipack.com. Anyways, you can give people an advantage in life and give them hacks, okay? So great attraction marketing, the more you're going to help people out, you're going to educate them, maybe give them some inspiration, okay, entertain them. So I am going to, in this video, give a hack, okay, for someone specifically with selling in stories. Okay, so this is just going to be a quick video that I'm going to do. 12 plus ways to sell in Facebook stories. Do a product slideshow. Get a little bit preachy. Benefits, hacks, this or that. Share your lead magnet. Work perks. Shout out teammates. Day in the life. Testimonials. Behind the scenes. Tutorials or before and after. Boom. Go do it, create stories that sell. Okay, so I'm gonna mute it for the moment just so you can hear me. So what I can do is change the filter if I want to by swiping to the right, okay, if I'm not a huge fan of the way it looks. Okay, so this is normal, which I feel I'm a little orange. Maybe Jakarta. Do I look less orange in that? I don't know. Okay, so now let's make sure we add the sound back in. Boom, go do it, create. Click the save button, okay, because we're going to pop back over to Instagram again. Open up Instagram. Let's add this one. Captions. Okay, so let's see if it all flows. Do a product slideshow. Get a little bit preachy. If you don't know these, I share them all in all my different story tutorials. I show you how to make these. So now let's save both of these. Okay, they're saved. You can discard it because we've saved it. You could, of course, share it to Instagram. Okay, we're popping open Facebook. You're going to select multiple. 1, 2, next. Okay, sweet. So here are your 2 stories. So we could add like the flame if we wanted to like get some more engagement or something like that. And then you're just gonna click the blue share to story button. Okay, so let's make another selfie story, okay? So let's find, this one's absolutely cannot stand it. That one's fine, we already did it though. Don't like the rosy cheeks. Okay, so this one is a good one because there's a triangle. Triangles can show like authority or power, and we're gonna do some client or customer love, okay? So maybe you have a cool testimonial. You don't have to do a talking one. So let's get a cool picture. Okay, so I like that one. So now we're gonna click the sticker button and we're gonna go here to overlay a sticker. If you haven't watched my video on how I overlay pictures into my stories, go ahead and check out this video. But this is a great one for like a testimonial. So you can write, check out this customer win. Right? You can keep it so simple. Stories do not have to be that hard, okay? So here we go. We can add in the poll button. Okay, so I'm just tapping the space bar to get rid of that. Let's maybe say info, please. Okay, now what I like to do sometimes with my poll button, since there isn't a lot of movement in this, you can do it. If there's too much movement in your picture, it's going to like cut it away. But I am going to put this, like where you want people to tap, that's a great place to put it, okay? So we can, again, click share to story, okay, and that's going to go right up to my stories right now being uploaded. So we just went over work perks, day in the life, how to like do a hack and tell your audience about it, and client love or testimonial. Boom. So cool. We just learned how to share work perks in your stories, how to do day in the life, a client or customer win, and also how to share a hack with your audience. If you got some value out of this video today, give me that like button, leave me a comment, hit subscribe. If you're not in Create Stories That Sell, jump in the Facebook group. Would love to see you there. And before you leave, check out either of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video just for you.